Everyone, my name is Andre John and welcome to Play Drums, the easy way. All right, so we completed in the last video, those four reggae beats. Mind you, there are many more, but I'm just giving you, a few of those. All right, so what we're going to be looking at now is improvising both on the hi-hat and the snare drum. So we are actually going to be, starting off with the foundation, and then we're going to be improvising, okay? And I want you to follow me, all right, as we go. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, improvise on the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, improvising on the snare. Right, so we're going to continue with the improvising. We're going to be adding some more beat on the snare, all right, or on the rim. Back to the foundation, and then we gradually go up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, improvising. Improvising the hi-hat. Back to the snare. Getting it? Good. All right. Thank you very much for joining.